Hello, and welcome back to Shiba Inu Land, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing Shiba Inu news. We're giving away 100 million Shiba Inu coins to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment hashtag Shiba Inu, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. After Putin's warning to the West, the value of the Shiba Inu coin will reach an all-time high. Prepare to retire early. As Putin escalates his war on Ukraine, the Treasury Department has issued a warning that Russia may utilize cryptocurrency to get around sanctions. Today, we're going to cover everything from the impending explosion of Kryptos and Shiba Unicorn to the possibility that Vladimir Putin may turn into a crypto burrow. Please enjoy your daily dosage of Shiba at Shiba Inu Currency. If you want to stay up to date with all the Shib news forecasts and stay one step ahead in the cryptocurrency industry, this is the spot to subscribe. Also, make sure to click the like button so that we can provide you more Shib news. To participate in our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments, don't forget to enable all notifications. Let's look at the chart and see how the price of Shiba is performing on September 23rd before we get to our issue. Should we be brand new on September 18th after hitting the immediate support at $10 million? But at 11 millionths of a dollar, the bears stopped the recovery. The bears will once more try to drive the price below the $1 support level. The 20-day EMA's downward slope at 12 millionths of $1 and the RSI's position in the negative zone indicate that bears are in control. The Shibas pair might continue to fall to the key support level at 7 millionths of $1 if the price dips and remains below $10 million. The bulls must act swiftly to raise the price above the 20-day EMA in order to stop this slide. When the pair reaches 14 millionths of $1, the bears can once more put up strong resistance. The pair may consolidate between 10 and 14 millionths of $1 if the price drops from this level. For a while, analysts assessed the price trend of sheet units and projected an 11% increase in the Dogecoin deadly asset. Technical expert Philip Owl asserts that she bet you might see a comeback and a slight advance near the $1,200 900 million mark. As the historical important level and the location of the 55-day simple moving average, the $1,200 900 millions of $1 level is crucial. Now let's return to the subject. In a chilling warning on Tuesday, a U.S. Treasury official said that Vladimir Putin and his henchmen might use cryptocurrencies to evade the unprecedented wave of economic sanctions imposed on Russia by the West in response to his brutal invasion of Ukraine. This would make Putin the newest member of the ever-growing crypto bro army to sidestep sanctions. It comes as the Treasury Department discovered 22 people seeking to support Putin's war with digital assets this month alone, including a neo-Nazi paramilitary outfit, several Russian figures trying to circumvent sanctions by utilizing cryptocurrency. Assistant Secretary of the Treasury for Financial Crimes and Terrorist Financing Elizabeth Rosenberg said when asked if blockchain-based currencies could be used to successfully escape sanctions, the senator replied, "Yes, that's feasible." Since Putin's government invaded Ukraine in February, Senator Elizabeth Warren said she has been concerned about Russian elites using cryptocurrency to get over the country's draconian sanctions. Russia could easily be involved in that back then because we already knew that nations like North Korea have utilized cryptocurrency to get around sanctions and launder at least hundreds of millions of dollars. Warren stated. The warning was delivered before a Senate Committee on Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs hearing where it was discussed how to dissuade Russia in the future. The government initially targeted a virtual currency mining company in April for attempting to avoid Russian sanctions. Despite multiple measures by the U.S. to stop any evasion, oligarch Konstantin Alafaya and 40 other people were also targeted. Russia is said to have created their own digital money as early as February. It was hoped that they wouldn't need to convert it to dollars in order to trade with other nations. First, the biggest nation in the world also created instruments to attempt to conceal the source of transactions. As the history of every cryptocurrency exchange can typically be found on the blockchain. Rosenberg identified these cloaking technologies as a danger to the implementation of sanctions. when sanctions can act as a disincentive to any criminal who would seek to utilize a mixer in order to launder their cash, penalizing cryptocurrency mixers may be a good approach to crack down on foreign businesses trying to use digital assets for all legitimate purposes, according to Rosenberg. We may effectively communicate our opposition to money laundering by using that method. Whether it's for a Russian criminal actor, an Iranian, a North Korean, or someone else, Rosenberg said that this is not the first warning concerning the use of cryptocurrency to evade Russian sanctions. The Treasury has issued similar cautions in the past due to the fact that Bitcoin exchanges don't adhere to the same background checks and anti-money laundering regulations as banks do. They now pose an even greater threat to U.S. sanctions. Similar arguments were presented by the British National Bureau of Economic Research in a research released in October 2021. The researchers issued a warning that criminals might reasonably shift money between exchanges with little to no background screening in order to cover their tracks. But as Verdict has previously documented, exchanges have so far been hesitant to deny Russia access to their services. In fact, some people have actively opposed any limitations. As an illustration, following the Treasury-sanctioned cryptocurrency RNC mixer Tornado Cash and August exchange Coinbase launched a complaint against the regulator on behalf of the Blender's clients in September. It will be incredibly encouraging for the Uno coin and the entire market if Russia accepts cryptocurrencies. Let's now discuss how she defeated us. She is a bullish catalyst for metaverse. The crypto industry has recently seen a number of optimistic drivers. Coins like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are prepared to regain their losses as a result of the merger of Ethereum, which was successfully completed and helped the crypto market capitalization rebound. In collaboration with a visualization studio on the third floor, Chimino released artwork for the metaverse. Images of Rocket Pond, a poolside location in the foothills with outdoor activities like hot air ballooning, are released by the metaverse handle. The visualization studio and the development team have often tweeted updates, revealing a secret resort to releasing images of rocket ponds. The metaverse has been received with curiosity and anticipation from Shib holders. The heavenly village that she needed community is awaiting the launch of the metaverse, which is thought to be a bullish catalyst for Shane Price, as well as Cape Canaveral, Glenwood Caverns, Adventure Park, Colorado, and Lake Tahoe, served as the inspiration for the design and concept for the rocket pond. Miriam had been his lair for the scalability fix. The metaverse and the sheet, as you may know, are the two occasions that are most likely to spark a rally, and another piece of positive news regarding Cheap is that data from the block shows a rise and Shiba Inu accumulation by long-term investors known as diamond hands in the cryptocurrency Twitter lexicon. She starts to burn more intensely and was launched in Australia with the intention of increasing investor sentiment. The advent of Shibarium, a new layer to the scaling solution in the Shi metaverse, has been anticipated by the community, and GBN News burn has been a significant driver for the Bean currency. Based on the primary coin price movement over the previous 2 months, the two anticipated launches and the meme coins burn are the main drivers of CBD New. The previous 24 hours, the tokens for 132 million Shiba units were destroyed. These coins were permanently removed from circulation by being sent to the dead wallet address. There have been 410.38 trillion tokens burned in total since the start of the burn implementation and CBE New. Burn rates for GPUs are increased 4,073%. Diamond hands refers to long-term holders of an asset who hold for investment purposes rather than merely speculation because of the tremendous burn over the past 24 hours that has turned holders into diamonds. Despite a decline or losses, some investors don't sell cryptocurrencies. 30% of CTV News investors, according to a block report, are holding the primary coin for investment purposes and with a long-term outlook. Holding cheaply for investment purposes ensures investors that there won't be an increase in selling pressure from traders selling their holdings for profit-taking, which has generated a bullish feeling among holders as a result. All okay, bye for now. Additionally, we would like to point out that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice and that we are not urging you to invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. In light of this, we advise you to conduct in-depth, comprehensive research on the subject before making any investments. We trust you enjoyed the video. If you own a Shiba, please let us know in the comments section below. Please also subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Shiba Inu Land will see you again soon. Bye.